Okay everyone, it's June 13th and we had a very hot week, between 90 and 100 degrees every single day. So let's see how these fared. So here's our tomatoes. They're doing really well. We've had really hot weather, so I'm happy. This one here is still on the borderline of if it's going to make it or not, but it is producing a lot of yellow cherry tomatoes. Our radishes are doing really well. Should get quite a few sets out of the garden this year. And of the strawberries, I don't know if this is a strawberry or not, but it's the only thing that's come up out of that bale. Alright, row number 2, this is the carrots. They are coming up, one here, one there. This one still hasn't made its way through, but hopefully it will soon. The broccoli is doing really well. We had 2 of them in here. That's sprouted through. Our basil came through, but nothing else in the herb garden here. Green peppers are looking really good. This one here actually already has a little pepper starting. Melissa did say that her plants did really good, they just didn't produce any peppers. So I guess we'll find out if we have the same issue or not. Here's our green beans. They're doing really well. Every single one came through. Even the oddball one that Rose planted. The peas are coming through really nice. And the zucchini. And the cucumbers. So far the garden is doing really well. I'm going to show you one last thing before I end the video. Sam and I both worried that the tomato plants would die, and also after hearing what Melissa said about the peppers, we were worried that we wouldn't get any, so we went and bought a few more plants. We got 2 cherry tomato plants and 2 of the green peppers. Yep, green bell peppers, and we just put them in Menards buckets. So these will kind of be our, I guess you could say, examples for a normal style garden, if you will, and then we can compare that to how the straw bale garden looks. Okay everyone, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another couple of weeks.